I'm going to teach you how to land your first brand deal in the month of April. You do not need followers to do this, so let's get that out of the way. This is called UGC. If you've never heard of it, it stands for User Generated Content. I've been doing this for 2.5 years. It replaced my 6-figure job here in the Seattle area back in 2023. It took me 14 months. So it's not like this is like a get rich quick thing. This is like a legitimate thing that you can make, I don't know, side hustle money or replace your current job, whatever you want it to be. But if you don't know, again, what UGC is, you get paid to create content for companies that they then just take that content and use for their own purposes, post it on the brand's social media accounts, run as the brand's, social media ads, right? So they just need the content, right? Every brand needs an alarming amount of content. You could be the one to get paid to create it for them. And then again, this is like through so many different industries. Most brands are hiring UGC creators. So I'm going to go like no fluff. I sent this out to my email list a couple days ago and I wanted to post it here too. So I'm just going to go through this. If at any point you're like, I just want like a breakdown of more about what UGC is, the steps to get started, and also a video lesson on how to actually pitch to these companies, because I'll go through that in a second. But I have a free checklist. If you want it, it's yours. It's in my Stan store, so you can grab it at any point during this video. But save this video so you don't lose it, so you can reference it as you're getting started with UGC this month. Okay, so the first week of April, right? We're already in the first week. It's like the 3rd right now, I think. But we're in the first week of April. The 1st through the 7th, and if it's the 3rd right now, it's the 4th, 5th, whatever the heck you're seeing this, just start from right here. The first week, you're going to build your UGC portfolio. Now, don't freak out about this. Your portfolio is just going to be one central place where brands can just go and find out a little bit more about you and obviously look at some of your work. If you don't have any work, this is the first step. Create 3 to 5 example videos using products you already have, like think skincare, gadgets, fitness gear, whatever you're into. Like my sister's doing UGC now. She landed her first UGC deal within 1 week. It's crazy. She's super into fitness. So she reached out to a bunch of fitness brands, sent them her portfolio, literally landed her first brand deal in a week. She just texted me 2 days ago. She's now going to create UGC, get paid to create UGC for Thorne Health or Thorne Supplements. That's a massive company. It's crazy. So don't like overthink it. Whatever the heck, you go around, like walk around your house, look at all these products that you already have, make some example videos. I use cat treats literally for 2 videos in my portfolio. If you don't have experience, it's okay. Just use these as a starting place to put in your portfolio so you can have something to send to brands. You can use Canva, like I say here, to make your portfolio look good. I have 4 like done for you templates inside my course. I've taught over like 7,600 people inside my course how to do this and like not be so stressed about it. So if that's helpful to you, obviously check it out, but that's not necessary. You can just go to Canva and type in website portfolio. You could probably even type in UGC portfolio, and there are tons of them, just because UGC is like the best thing ever and a lot of people are doing it, right? So the point is, this first week, focus on your portfolio, get it done, put a date, like literally put a date that you are going to get this done, because the portfolio holds people up. And if you don't create the portfolio, you're going to get all in your head and you're just not going to go anywhere. So that's the opposite of what I want. I want to literally, like, I'm on a mission I know it sounds cheesy, but I'm literally on a mission to help people make like a lot of money and change their life with UGC, because that's exactly what I did. Literally changed my life. Okay, let's go on to week 2. Okay, week 2, you're going to have your portfolio done, right? So you're going to pitch to some brands. Number 1, start with the ones that you actually made example videos for, right? Like example, I made 2 videos about the cat treats we give our 2 cats back in 2021 or whenever I started this, 2022. I sent those videos to the brand. They were obsessed with them. They were like, "Oh my gosh, we love these videos so much. Yes, we want to work with you." And I was like, "Okay, great." And then they told me that they don't have the budget to pay me. And I was like, I need to pay bills, so I'm not doing UGC to like not get paid. So I moved on, but it was really, really great confirmation for me knowing that, okay, I made some content that brands actually do like if that brand loved that content, I bet you I could reach out to other companies that would love my content and would like pay me to make content for them. So the whole point with week 2 is really to start connecting with brands. There's no way you're going to move the needle in your UGC business if you do not know how to connect with brands, or if you don't even put any effort connecting with brands. I wrote at the bottom, pitch to like 10 to 15 brands by the end of the week. Honestly, go even crazier. Like it's a numbers game. Anyone in the freelance contract business that is trying to get clients in the beginning, especially, will tell you, if they know what they're talking about, they will tell you it's a numbers game. So pitch to some brands. I've sent a lot of video pitches, personal video pitches to brands. That's made me thousands of dollars and gotten me some of my dream clients, like literally dream clients. And they pay me a lot of money to create content for them. But again, I've been doing this for a while. So, start out at like $150 to $200 per video. $200 I would feel like is pretty safe, per UGC video. And yeah, just get started. Connect with brands. Like look at TikTok and Instagram ads, like I wrote here. Brands running ads often need UGC creators. Like most brands are working with UGC creators if you don't already know. Again, pitch to as many brands as you possibly can. If you get my free checklist in my Stan store, I give you what to say in the email. I also give you an Instagram DM script template. I landed my second UGC deal with literally sending a conversation or starting the conversation inside Instagram DMs with a beverage company. They paid me like $750 for 5 videos. It was fantastic. All because I sent a message on Instagram DM. That's how my sister landed her second UGC deal, was Instagram DMs. So get my free checklist. I'm not just like saying that to tell you, like it will not be a waste of your time. Just go get my free checklist. Okay, moving on to week 3, it's going to be like April 15th to the 21st. Adjust it however you wish, or maybe like go ahead and like just go crazy with this and be ahead of schedule. Follow up and expand your reach. So follow up with the brands that you pitched to. Say you pitched to 50 brands week 2, right? Follow up with the ones that did not get back to you, because it's important. Like these people are busy, right? Like just follow up. I've landed so many UGC deals all because I was willing to send 2 or 3 different follow-up emails. It's super, super important. So don't forget to follow up. Okay, next, there's so many ways to connect with brands. Okay, it's not only just pitching. It's not only, sending emails and DMs. It's 2025. Most brands, again, are hiring UGC creators. I don't know how many times I can repeat it to kind of get it through if you don't know already, but most brands are using UGC creators. So there are platforms that literally have been created just for the sole purpose of connecting brands with creators. So you can sign up for platforms like Billo, Incense, Join Brands, Brands Meet Creators, Breakfast.io, Vidsy, Coley, Collabster, Collaborate. Oh my gosh, there's so many. It's crazy. Sign up for some of those. Also make sure that you are offering packages. Like most brands don't want just one video typically. So instead of say that you charge $200, right? You could be like, $200 for one video, but if you want 3 from me, it'll only be like $550 or whatever. So something like that. So, and then you can include usage rights. So hopefully that helps. Week 3, get it done. Week 4 is stay consistent and keep going. The only way you're going to fail at UGC is literally if you give up. I promise you, I've been doing this long enough to see so many people start, stop, and just quit. Don't do that. There's so much opportunity. Do not give up. Just keep going. Do not stop. Send out more pitches. Be persistent. Keep following up. Keep refining your content. Each video you create literally will make you better, and it will attract more opportunities. It's just the compound effect. If you've not read that book yet, just go read that book. It's the compound effect. It will pay off. I have thousands of students where I can prove this to you, where the first month, the first few weeks were pretty slow, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh my gosh, I'm getting UGC deal after UGC deal. Do not give up. Just keep going. Stay active on the UGC platforms and social media. Your next brand deal could be just around the corner. I hope you get started. Again, UGC changed my life. I hope this was helpful to you. I try to post stuff like this. So if you're not already following me and you want more tips about UGC and everything, I'm obsessed with UGC. If you can't tell, I get super excited about it just because literally did a 180 on my life. I was working a dead end, miserable, very stressful 9-to-5 job. I also have 2 little boys, and I wanted to be more present with my family. I wanted to make more money. I wanted to have more freedom because we like to travel. I just want to be living my own life, right? Without somebody telling me what to do. So UGC literally allowed that for me. And I've seen so many people where it's the exact same thing. And I've been privileged enough to teach thousands of people how to do this. And it's so crazy and so fun seeing so many people just crush it crush it because they're willing to do the work. So get started, grab my free checklist. I hope it helps, and yeah, good luck.